Welcome to Startup Sparks, where we ignite your ideas and help you turn them into real businesses. In today's episode, we talk about something that most people are afraid to admit. Most startups fail. In fact, about 90% of them fail. But here's the thing. Most of these failures are predictable and preventable. I will analyze the top 10 reasons why startups fail and show you how to avoid making the same mistakes. No market need. Startups fail because they build something nobody wants. You need to validate demand before writing a single line of code. Solution: talk to potential users. Solve a specific, painful problem. Use surveys, interviews, or a basic landing page to test interest. Running out of cash. Many founders burn through their runway too fast. They spend like they've already succeeded. Solution: create a lean budget. Track your burn rate. And most importantly, focus on revenue early, even if it's small. Pre-orders, pilot projects, beta tests with payment. Cash flow keeps you alive. Building the wrong team. You can't do everything yourself, and you shouldn't. But hiring the wrong co-founder or employees can be fatal. Solution: work with people who complement your weaknesses, share your vision, and can grow with you. Vet for skills, mindset, and chemistry. Poor product market fit. Even with a good product, if it doesn't fit the market, it won't scale. Solution: start niche. Focus on solving one thing better than anyone else. Iterate fast based on real user feedback, not assumptions. Ignoring competition. Some founders say, "We have no competition." That's a red flag. If there's truly no competition, there might be no market either. Solution: study your competitors. Learn from their mistakes and strengths. Differentiate, don't just duplicate. Bad customer experience. Product is just one piece. If your customer service sucks, you're done. Solution: be responsive. Fix bugs fast. Listen to feedback. People don't leave products, they leave poor experiences. Poor marketing strategy. You can't just launch and hope people show up. Solution: build marketing into your product. Use social proof, early adopters, and partnerships. Be loud where your users hang out. Reddit, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever. Failure to pivot. Some founders fall in love with their idea, even when it's clearly not working. Solution: know when to pivot. Be obsessed with the problem, not your first solution. Listen to your users and your numbers. Founder burnout. Startups are intense. Many founders burn out before they succeed. Solution: set boundaries. Sleep. Exercise. You're your startup's most important asset. Protect it. Lack of clear vision. Without a clear mission or long-term vision, startups drift. You end up chasing trends instead of building purposefully. Solution: write down your mission, vision, and values. Revisit them regularly. Make every decision align with that compass. Let's recap the top 10 reasons startups fail. 1. No market need. 2. Running out of cash. 3. Bad team. 4. Poor product market fit. 5. Ignoring competition. 6. Weak customer experience. 7. Poor marketing. 8. Failure to pivot. 9. Founder burnout. 10. No clear vision. Now you know the traps. Avoid them, and you're already ahead of 90% of new founders. You don't need to be a genius or a billionaire to build a successful startup. You just need to stay sharp, stay humble, and stay focused. The failure rate is high, but if you prepare, validate, and listen, you've got a real shot. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Startup Sparks. We're here every week with practical insights, founder stories, and startup strategies that work. Comment below, which of these 10 startup killers do you fear the most or have experienced? Let's learn from each other. See you in the next one.